Okay, so you're going to want to grab this bolt. This is in there. A washer on either side. And then as you're tightening, you're going to want to pull up on the fender so it leaves a gap between the wheel and the fender. Hold the 10mm on the back side and a Phillips screw on the front. Do a torque with the wrench to tighten. Last on the fender install is these bolts. You can use either a Phillips or a wrench to tighten up these bolts. And that's how you install a fender.
Remember to do both.
Remember to do both fenders.
Both. Yeah.
I don't have this other screw. So, to install the seat, you are going to need a 14mm wrench. The seat post will already be installed. And then you apply. Do it to the preferred angle. That's how you install a seat.